What is going to happen to this police officer? The officer in charge. What is to be done with him?
What up?
For swearing false affidavit before the court. Do I summon the Secretary of Finance over here?
No, what up?
Why not? Why will the fund not be given?
Well, can you keep it 1 week after vacations? Well, in the meantime, I'll personally take up the matter with the finance secretary. Can you keep it 1 week after vacations?
1 week after vacation, if the fund is not transferred, then serious consequences will follow, I tell you.
But my lord knows better than me.
No, the court does not know anything. The money is with you. You will pay it to your department, not that you are going to give the money to somebody else.
No, certainly. My lord,
Then-
it will be payment made to the PWD. PWD will
So
issue a tender notice.
it
Then,
is-
my lord, tender notice.
interdepartmental transfer of funds. You are not paying it to any private party.
My lord, can you see?
Don't show me anything.
Page 11. Page 11.
Don't. I will not look at anything. When are you going to start the construction work? The petitioner is losing valuable money because you are holding on to that property.
My lord, we are paying rent. That is not the paper.
Less said the better. 300 rupees rent.
Yes.
Please do not say. He may get 3,000 rupees rent from somebody else. You are holding the land
My lord,
unauthorized.
but can you give me 3 months time, my lord? In the meantime, everything will be completed.
I know this is only a lip service that you are giving to the court. And I'm sure you'll not be able to do it within 3 months.
Money has not been sanctioned.
I know. You say 3 months, it will not be done till I call somebody over here.
But because
No cause and because.
But
You are holding on to somebody else's land. You have got your own land. You build your own property over there.
Yes, some lands we are also searching and valuable because
You have searched it. You have found it out. An estimate has been prepared.
but
No buts.
On behalf of the petitioner, my lord. My lord, kindly see your lordship order dated 31st August 2003. They are not willing to hand over the land, not purchase. First of all, my lord, they file a report at the initial stage. They purchase the land. I am agreed to sell out. Then, my lord, land value was 74 lakhs. Thereafter, they file a affidavit before this court, not willing to purchase because the fund is not available in the state. Well, now
What
they
is
file.
this report?
this is DP report.
Did you give a copy?
I have received. They file a report this day. Your lordship pass an order 31st August 2023. Kindly see. Before that, they file a report to work order has not been issued.
Hmm.
Now say
So far as
the cost of the
Wait.
cost of the Pandavesar PS, my lord, 8 crore 28 lakhs fund ready, but he did not purchase the said land. The bypass the whatever may be, my lord. Kindly see, my lord, your order passed on 31st August 2023, my lord. And kindly see the report.
What does the report say?
The report says, my lord, kindly page 7 in the report. The OC communicated the letter 31st November. Never 2 months, my lord. Kindly see page 7. Today report.
Page 7.
Yes. Annex the report. Annex. Requested on 31st November. 30 November, my lord. Order pass on, my lord. 31st August. They hanging the contempt application by filing one by one affidavit, my lord. They did not comply. Work order has not been issued till date, my lord. Estimate cost, my lord, 8 crore 28 lakhs. Now fund is ready. Earlier they file a report, fund not sufficient fund, government not issued the fund, my lord. Now ready. I leave to your lordship.
So far portion is concerned, so we are paying the rent.
How many rent? 300?
Listen, why are you have got 8 crores and odd.
No, but as soon as the
74,000 I did not
fund is
purchase the land.
Fund has been made available.
No, but can you see on a page?
Can you see the work order?
But can you see? For a moment.
Page 10 in the affidavit.
Page 11.
Page 10 can
December 2023. Commissioner of Police address to the IG headquarters.
This is only the estimate.
Yes.
Estimate.
The cost has not been paid.
No, but this we shall have to obtain a sanction from the government. As soon as sanction is granted, then will be handed over. Tender will be issued.
How long will it take?
But can you give me 3 months time?
3 months time.
3 months.
3 months.
Months.
How many months this matter is
But,
hanging?
Lordship knows we are maintaining
No,
the
no,
law.
no. The court doesn't know anything.
2019. Contempt application is pending, my lord. 2019.
As minimum land.
19, 20,
Please
21.
wait. Listen,
Wait,
please
wait.
please come to page 8 of your affidavit, the report that you filed today. This is sometime in June. June 2023.
Yeah.
From June to December, 6 months is over.
Then correspondence is going on. As soon as the financial approval comes, immediately we'll release
So
the
the
land.
correspondence will go on for 6 months.
My lord knows better than me.
No, the court does not know anything. The money is with you. You will pay it to your department, not that you are going to give the money to somebody else.
No, certainly.
Then-
It will be payment made to the PWD. PWD will
So,
issue a tender notice.
it
Then
is-
tender notice.
Interdepartmental transfer of funds. You are not paying it to any private party.
Can you see?
Don't show me anything.
Page 11. Page 11.
Don't, I will not look at anything. When are you going to start the construction work? The petitioner is losing valuable money because you are holding on to that property.
We are paying rent. That is not the paper.
Let's set the better. 300 rupees rent.
Yes.
Please do not say. He may get 3,000 rupees rent from somebody else. You are holding the land unauthorized.
Can you give me 3 months time? In the meantime, everything will be completed.
I know this is only a lip service that you are giving to the court. And I'm sure you'll not be able to do it within 3 months.
Money has not been sanctioned.
I know. You say 3 months, it will not be done till I call somebody over here.
Because
No cause and because.
But,
You are holding on to somebody else's land. You have got your own land. You build your own property over there.
Yes, some lands we are also searching and valuable because
You have searched it. You have found it out. An estimate has been prepared.
but
No buts.
as soon as the fund is sanctioned by the government, it will be allotted. What court order will be issued?
Who will sanction the fund?
From Home Department to Finance Department.
Not from home to finance, from finance to home.
No, Home to Finance. Ultimate authority, functioning authority, the Finance Department. It will be allotted to the Home Department. Then Home Department will hand over to the PWD department for issuing tender notice.
From whom will the funds come? From the finance,
Finance.
right? Do I summon the Secretary of Finance over here?
No.
Why not? Why will the fund not be given?
Can you keep it one week after vacations? In the meantime, I'll personally take up the matter with the Finance Secretary. Can you keep it 1 week after vacations?
1 week after vacation, if the fund is not transferred, then serious consequences will follow, I tell you.
The officers at the base level, they are trying their level.
What are they trying?
So that the fund is allotted, sanctioned by the government, by the Department of Finance. His idea has been requested, then I did.
Had it been for a private party, things would have been otherwise. You would have held it back for years together. And the litigants will come and go years after years, generation after generations. Here it is the interdepartmental fund transfer.
Ultimately, sanction will be by the government. This is a estimate of rupees such and such.
Are you outside the government?
No.
Then fund will be sanctioned by the government.
Government.
You are a part of the government.
Yeah.
Then how long does it take?
Kindly keep it after vacations in the meantime so that I can talk with the department.
Only talking will not do. You
Talk
have
for
to do something else so that the fund is transferred and the construction work starts soon.
Yes.
It has been recorded in the earlier order that you will finish it within 2 years. 6 months over. Please come.
Meager amount must be paid minor monthly. 300 something.
I see a communication of the officer in charge to the learned government leader, and this is annexed to the report which was filed on the last occasion.
Yes.
This is dated 10th of August 23. You have a copy?
Yes. 10th of August.
It mentions that a letter was sent by the IG wherein it has been intimated that the cost of rupees 8 crore and such has been received. The cost of rupees such and such has been received for setting up construction of the new police station on the allocated land. What does this mean?
Page 4 of my affidavit, today's affidavit.
Earlier affidavit.
The earlier.
Earlier
Today's
affidavit.
affidavit. That
Earlier
was some
affidavit.
mistake on our part.
Earlier affidavit. Can you see?
On the earlier occasion, you say that the money is available. Now you say it is only the estimate that is available.
Page 4.
Earlier affidavit.
No.
There is already an instruction on record which says that the money has already been received.
Submitted that white order dated 1st December. CP Commissioner went to the Inspector General of Police for sanction of the estimated cost and issuance of work order. With the proposal in this regard, the Inspector of Police West Bengal also sent a letter to the Additional Chief Secretary of the Government of West Bengal, Hill Affairs Department, rather requesting for issuance of administrative approval, sanctioning of the setting up, construction of the new model Pandaveshwar PS along with different buildings related to police stations.
You have a copy of that letter?
Yes.
Show it to him.
Yes.
Madam, can you see paragraph 5?
I will not see it in.
Further says that the compliance is
Please look at the earlier letter. This is a report which was filed.
Earlier report. Yes. Please.
This is signed by the officer in charge. 10th of August 23.
Mistakenly understand that the money has been received, but money has not sanctioned yet.
That's why in paragraph 5 we have mentioned that wrongly mentioned.
Wrongly mentioned?
Yes.
Are you taking the court for a ride?
No.
They're filing a affidavit, my lord.
Affidavit was filed to the defect the cost of which such and such has been received from the West Bengal Corporation Limited. Accordingly, Honorable Court was pleased to observe that the same was order dated 31st August. That the now only estimate of cost of the tune of such and such.
So first you say that the cost has been received. Now you change the stand and say that it is
money
only
has not been received. But said that money
Kindly
has not
see
been
the
estimated
report.
cost. And
what does this letter say? You read the letter. What does this say?
earlier report.
What?
has been received.
It has been received. The fund has been
No,
received.
wrongly mentioned.
Wrongly mentioned.
File an affidavit. Oath.
That's why today he has filed an affidavit.
What is going to happen to this police officer, the officer in charge? What is to be done with him for swearing false affidavit before the court?
Some mistake has been committed. It is not deliberate.
It is relying upon this submission that the court adjourned the matter.
Yes.
And now you say that it's only an estimate? You think the things are so easy?
No, certainly not.
Then
Your Lordship is correct. But
somebody's private land, you are occupying it unauthorizedly.
kindly keep it after vacations. In the meantime, I'll take up the matter with the finance department and give a lordship the correct picture so that the matter can be resolved without any further litigation.
Without any further litigation?
Litigation.
The court will be extremely happy if you are successful in doing this.
But I shall personally try to additional chief secretary of finance department. Conference
an affidavit has been filed by Rabindranath Doloi, the officer in charge, Pandaveshwar Police Station, affirmed on 13th December 2023, wherein it has been mentioned that the cost estimate to the tune of rupees 8,28,34,997 has been received, and the same has been intimated to the superior authority, but the money has not been received. Stop. Paragraph. It appears that the same officer affirmed an earlier affidavit on 22nd August
22nd August.
2023, wherein it was mentioned that the aforesaid cost amount was received from the West Bengal P.H and I.D Corporation Limited. With a memo dated 5th June 23 for setting up / construction of the new model Pandaveshwar Police Station on the allotted land. Stop. Paragraph. It appears that the stand of the police officer in the two affidavits are contrary to each other. Stop. The first one mentions that the money has been received, whereas the second one records that it is only the cost estimate that has been received. Stop. Paragraph. Today it has been submitted in court by the learned senior advocate representing the alleged contemner that it is only the cost estimate that has been received and not the money. Stop. The court has been assured that the matter will be taken up personally by the learned counsel and a report be placed before this court on the next date. Stop. Next. Be it recorded that the police station is running from the private land of the petitioners. Stop. The petitioners seek for an order of vacating the said land as the rent received by the petitioners are far less than the market rent that is prevailing. Stop. Next. Now this court passed order directing the police to shift the police station long back. Stop. The police has thereafter identified a land where the new police station will be constructed. It appears that it is merely identification of the land that has been done, but no steps have been taken to either purchase or take lease of the land in question on which the police station may be constructed. Stop. The police is simply trying to delay the matter. Stop. Next. Only on the request of the learned senior counsel to take up the matter personally with the finance secretary so that the issue may be resolved once and for all, comma, the contempt application stands adjourned till 18th January 2024. Stop. The further update shall be placed before this court on the adjourned date by way of an affidavit.
Get photo.
Yeah, good.